Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. We're doing another midnight pouring session. We're having a lot of fun with these night pours. I hope you guys have been enjoying them too. We're going to be doing an 18 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas. We'll show you my colors real fast. Let's flip it over. The first one I have is DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in emerald green, leaving a nice thick mound on a mound on a mound. My paint is mixed with Liquitex Gloss Medium and Varnish, and the paint and Floetrol, and maybe just a smidge of water in some of these, but not really. Next I have DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics also. This one is 24 karat gold, leaving a nice thick mound on a mound on a mound. I have kept the gold very thick because I do not want it to get lost. I want it to maintain its own ribbon of color. This next one is Liquitex Basics Phthalo Blue. Beautiful, beautiful color. Nice and thick, leaving a mound on a mound. Good stuff. I love this color. Okay, then we have Golden's Green Gold, which is very pretty, contrasting with the blues and with the greens and with the gold. So I'm hoping to see nice things from this. Okay, we may not use as much of this one as the others, but still, I want it in there. Okay, last one I have is also DecoArt Americana Decor Satin Enamels in Classic Black. Also leaving a mound on a mound on a mound. Beautiful stuff. Okay, this one was actually my table drippings, my table mix-ins from the last pour I did, and I have thinned it out a lot so that it is sinking. It is not leaving a mound. Now this is black. It's actually a lot of these same colors without that green one, but one of them had some glitter in it, so it's kind of glittery and sparkly. So that's going to be our flow extender. Okay, let's layer our cup. That's an 18 by 24. We should be okay with about 16 or 18 ounces of paint. I might go a little bit more just in case. Okay, let's see. So what do I want in here? I want to start with a little bit of gold. Just a little bit, not a lot at all. And let's go right into the green gold. And then we're going to go into the emerald green. A thicker layer of that. And then I want to go back to the gold just a little bit. And then we're going to put some of the Phthalo Blue in. Nice thick layer. I'm going to go back to that green gold again. Go back to the gold again. Okay, now we're going to put a bigger layer of the emerald green. And now I'm going to put some of the black in. Let's see. Let's go to the... I'm going to go back to the green again. And now I'm going to put the blue in. A little bit more gold. Some of the green gold. Some more of the emerald green. And I'm going to end it with some blue. Okay. Alright, so that's cool. I only got one layer of black in there, which is... okay, that's alright. Okay, I'm going to pour a little puddle of gold in the center to pour into, kind of like a little pillow for our paint. And we're going to do a ring pour. Okay, here we go. turn this around. Now, we're going to get that very thin flow extender. We're going to go around this. Some corners. Quick. Yeah, that's thin. I hope it's not too thin. Okay. I want to wreck it. I'm going to use my little claw comb. This is really pretty in there. And that's really pretty. And that's really cool. Wow. Okay. That's cool. I think I want to go through here also. Okay. Move these out of the way. Okay. Let's tilt this baby. This is pretty neat. Off that corner first. Go over the edge. Bring it back to the center. Take it down to the middle again. And all the way down to that corner. Okay, come back to the middle. Since we're here, we're going to go off that edge on the bottom, since that's where the weight of all of our paint is. Okay. Back to the middle. Oh, this is so pretty up here on this corner. Wow. Okay. Look up here on this corner. Wow. Okay. That's cool. And that nice thin flow extender is allowing everything to just glide over. And there we go. Bring the paint back to the center. That's cool. Like it. That's awesome. All right, I'm gonna leave that just like that. Let's torch it. Okay, so I think this one is going to be our green goddess for Mother Earth. I like this. This is awesome. So that's really, really cool. The black is awesome. Over here, that's really pretty. with all the blue and all the metallics. And I love that there's not too much of the green gold, but you still see it and it's in there. And that the Phthalo Blue mixing with the green and the gold and the black. Very, very cool. Beautiful lines, nice flow, nice movement. Get back over there. It got weird. Okay, that's it. Now we're gonna stop. So that's awesome. I will show you this one when it's dry. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight, you guys. See you soon. Come on, Zen. Okay. So this is a few days later. This turned out so cool, you guys. That gold is just so blingy. So metallic and amazing and sparkly. Just beautiful. And the dark, dark Payne's gray and the emerald green and the green gold. Very pretty. There's the Phthalo Blue and Zen's tail. Beautiful cells in here. You guys can see how cool this is. Look at that detail. Right here, I think I love this the most. That's amazing. Really cool stuff. So there's a lot of gold in this one, but I've decided in honor of Earth Day, this is going to be Green Goddess. There's butterflies flying around in front of me, sorry. There's one. He's on the floor and he's gone. Okay. Okay, so this turned out really cool though. Lots of beautiful lines, lots of beautiful detail in here. A very bright, happy piece. I love it. See the sun just shining off of that gold is amazing. This beautiful swirl in here. That's so cool. And that darker part is where the Payne's gray mixed with the 24 karat gold. And you see just that the dark background that all this is floating on is so cool. Very neat. Those were the table mix-ins from the pour before that. So this is very cool, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Hope you guys stay healthy and take care of yourselves. And I'll see you for the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.